Hi there. Today, we are going to learn how to create a basic Rainmeter skin from scratch. Before we begin our simple date display, let me give you a walkthrough of the prerequisites. Number 1. Windows 7 and higher. No Mac or Linux. And 2. Rainmeter pre-installed in your computer or laptop. First of all, open Rainmeter. Click on the folder icon with a plus near Active Skins. Click on Add Folder. Name your folder. Delete the subfolder. We don't need it for now. Click on Add Skin. Name the file. Close the file. The folder will be visible at the left side of the app. Click on the INI file you had named in that folder. This is the format for a basic Rainmeter skin pack. Let me give you an idea of how the code works. The code begins with Rainmeter on top. The computer ignores the code if Rainmeter is not present. This Rainmeter and the others like metadata and variables are called sections. And the ones underneath them are called key pairs. We start with the first section, Rainmeter. Under it comes the first key, Update. Under Update, we specify after how many seconds do we refresh the skin. The default value if not given is 1000 or 1 second. Next comes Measure Time, where we provide how the data is measured. Under Measure Time, we specify what we are measuring. Under the key measure, we shall give the value time. Then we provide the format, or how the string is seen to the user. H defines hour, M for minutes, and S for seconds. Finally, we go for the last section, or meter time, to display data. Under meter time, we first describe what kind of data is being displayed. For this, we use meter, key, and string as value, because our date is displayed in the string format. Measure name tell us from where the data is being measured. That would mostly be the name of the section from where data is taken, i.e., measure time, here. For the font size, only pixels is allowed, no rem, em or percentage. Font color follows the RGB rule here. It leads to the color white. X and Y are the dimensions here. Once you are done, save the file, and head over to Rainmeter. Refresh and load. Congrats on creating your first Rainmeter skin from scratch. Thanks for watching.